Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add margin for one page in Word. Access your Word document. On the last page, place the cursor at the beginning. You will go to the Layout menu, and from Breaks, choose the Continuous option. Now place the cursor at the end of this page, and again from Breaks, select Continuous. Now select the content of the page that you will modify the margin. You will click on Margins and then select the option, Custom Margins. In this window, set the desired measurement. Keep in mind that in Apply To, there is the option, Selected Sections. When you click on OK, you will see the margin applied only on that page of the document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.